Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to change power button on Android to turn off the phone. So what you have to do is launch open settings on your device. Now you can see over here the settings will be opened. You'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is find the option for system and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the system interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for gestures and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the gestures interface. You'll be able to find the options like system navigation, one-handed mode, lift to check phone, etc. Over here in this interface, what you have to do is find the option for press and hold power button. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see over here hold for assistant button is toggled on. When this button is toggled on, if you press and hold the power button, you'll be able to see the Google Assistant. So what you have to do is toggle off this button. So simply tap on this button that you can see right next to the option hold for assistant. Now you can see over here this button has been toggled off. Now if you press and hold on the power button, you'll be able to find the options for emergency, lockdown, power off, restart. So you'll be able to use the power button in order to turn off the phone. So that is how you change power button on Android to turn off phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.